Hi viewers, my dear students, welcome to the online classes. Now discuss about that lines and angles part 2. Lines and angles part 2. Lines and angles in part 2. Guys, first one, discuss about the transverse law. It's a balance. First session discuss about the point, line segment, line, collinear points, and intersecting line, congruent lines, and angles, parallel lines, angles, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight line. Next one, reflex angle, complementary of angles and supplementary of angles, adjacent sides and linear pair. This one is I have completed in the previous session. The last one topic in this case, that is a transverse. Now I draw the two parallel lines on the blackboard, that is L and M. I draw the one more line. This line is T. Guys, this line intersect of the two parallel lines and distant points of distant two lines. Here intersect A, this line intersect B. That line is called a transverse. Once again repeated, I take it that two parallel lines are distant lines. Here I draw the two distance lines. In the two distance lines, I draw the one more line. That line is intersect of the two distance lines and two distant points. The two distance points. That line is called a transverse line. This line is called a transverse line. In this situation, this line, these lines are divided, make the 8 angles. This is a angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. This line, this totally divides the 8 angles. Okay, clear? First, what the position, first explain that, after remaining. See, serial number, type of angles, types of angles, and number of pairs, here angles. See guys, right, first question, interior angles. So guys, interior means two parallel lines. This is called a transverse line. So in this line, in the two lines, what angles are inside of that lines? That angles are called interior angles. That's ones represent 4, 3, 6, 5. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are interior angles. Next one, the second one, exterior angles. Exterior means outside, close it to this. What is the exterior angle? 1, 2, 7, 8. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, angle 7 is called a exterior angles. The third one, alternative interior angles. This is important. Alternative interior angles. Four pairs. In how many pairs? 4 pairs. Check it. Alternative interior angles. See, 4, 6. This alternative interior angles. 4, 6 is one pair. 5, 3, one pair. So how many pairs? 2 pairs. Sorry, here two pairs, 4 angle 4 comma angle 6, alternative. These are called angle 4, angle 6 is called alternative angles, alternative interior angles. So the two angles are angle 4, angle 6. Next one, angle 3, angle 5. Next one, fourth one, alternative exterior angles. Exterior angles. This one is also two pairs. Close this one. Angle 1, angle 7. Line opposite outside angle 1. That's a line opposite side outside. That's angle 1, angle 7. Alternative exterior angle. Angle 2, angle 8. So angle 1, angle 7. It's one pair. Angle 2, angle 8. This is another pair. Next one, fifth one, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Check it, the corresponding angles, four pairs are there. Same side, and one is interior, another one is exterior. That angles are called a corresponding angle, same side. So this line, check it, same side, angle 5 and angle 1. These lines, two pairs are corresponding angle. One side, one angle is inside, another one is exterior. So angle 5, angle 1, angle 6, angle 2, angle 4, angle 8. This is inside, this is outside and same side. This is a 3, 7, right? How many pairs? 4 pairs. 4 pairs, right? Angle 1, angle 5, put on bracket. Angle 2, angle 7. Next one, angle 4, angle 8. Angle 3, angle 7. Next one, sixth one. Corresponding angles are equal. Vertically opposite angle. That's the sixth one. Vertically opposite angle. This is also 4 pairs. Vertically opposite angles means, guys, two lines are intersect. L, M. Already I know that. Keep this point. Two lines are intersect at a one point, that O. It forms of different angles. Please once remember that. Intersecting lines. Okay, that's I think fourth one. So its form, see these angles. These angles are called a vertical angles. So this angle and this angle opposite. Opposite. These angles, two angles are equal. That type of angles are called a vertically opposite angles. Suppose this is a AOB, this is a COD. AOD is equal to BOC. That angles are called vertically opposite. BOD, this angle equal to COA, this angle. These angles are called vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. In this case, vertical angle, angle 1, angle 3, vertically opposite angles are equal. This one, 4, 2, vertically opposite. 5, 7, 6, 8. Right here, 1, angle 1, angle 3, vertically opposite. Angle 2, angle 4, angle 2, angle 4, vertically opposite. Angle 5, angle 7, angle 5, angle 7, vertically opposite. Angle 6, angle 8, vertically opposite. Okay, next one. Guys, so see, seventh one case. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Guys, here this one same line, see, in this transverse line, sum of the two angles equal to 180. Angle 6 plus angle 7, 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3, 180. Angle 4 plus angle 1, 180. Angle 5 plus angle 8, 180. Check it. Angle 1 plus angle 2. Guys, please see, one side only. Angle 2 plus angle 3, 180 degrees. Angle 6 plus angle 7, 180 degrees. That side, angle 1 plus angle 4, 180 degrees. Angle 5 plus 1, angle 8, 180 degrees. So that means the sum of interior and exterior angle on the same side of transverse is 180. So how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pairs. Once again, sum of interior and exterior angle of same side of the transverse is 180. That's how many pairs are there? 4 pairs are there. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 1 pair, angle 1, angle 4, 1 pair, angle 6, angle 7, 1 pair, angle 5, angle 8, 1 pair. You are check it, angle 2 plus angle 3, 180, angle 6 plus angle 7, 180, angle 1 plus angle 4, 180, angle 5 plus angle 8, 180. So, please come to some more points are there, listen. Angle 1 plus angle 2, it's also 180. Angle 4 plus angle 3 is 180. Angle 5 plus angle 6, 180. Angle 8 plus angle 7, 180. This side's angle is also 180. Okay, next one, see, opposite vertical angles are equal. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Same like that in this case, angle 6 equal to angle 8. Angle 5 equal to angle 7. That is some vertically opposite angles. Next one, alternate interior angles also equal. Angle 4 equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles also equal. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Alternate exterior angles also equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 7. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. How do you know? Guys, simply see L, M, I draw the one line. Alternate angles means you take it line other side and this side. This is called a alternative angles. But these two angles are interior. The two angles are interior. So, these angles are called alternative interior angles. So, x degrees is equal to y degrees. Is it clear? Suppose, see, please observe guys, this is also alternative angles, but it is exterior angles. How do you know the alternate angles? The transverse is the two angles are opposite side. So, one angle is this side, another angle is other side. These two angles are represented outside of this, exterior. So, x degrees is equal to y degrees. Is it clear? So, alternative interior angles also equal, alternative exterior angles also equal, vertical opposite angles also equal. Clear? So, what the meaning? Angle 1 is equal to angle 7, angle 2 equal to angle 8. That is alternative exterior angle. Next one, Corresponding angles. Corresponding is how to write, see guys, see. Yes. The same transverse side, the same side, one is outside, one side is inside. That type of angles are called a corresponding angles. The corresponding angles also equal. So, x degrees is equal to y degrees. X degrees is equal to y degrees. Very, very important guys, this one. X degrees is equal to y degrees. What type of angles? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. How do you know the corresponding angles? So, transverse same side, one is a external, another one is a internal. That type of angles is called a corresponding angles. Is it clear? So, alternate angles. Alternates, how to identification? The transverse same side, the transverse interior of one is one side of the transverse, another one is other side of the transverse. One angle is this side, another angle is this side. That angles are called a alternative angles, interior, equal. Alternative exterior means one angle is outside, another angle is outside. The two are outside, but one is transverse other side, another one is a transverse other side. This is a alternative exterior angle. Corresponding angles like this. Okay, clear? So, these all points are keep your mind. You do it the sums very easily. Come to the point. Right. Is page number 69. Page number 69. First question. Name the figures drawn below. First one AB, CD, okay. Yes, name the figures drawn below. Yes, I have completed previous session part 1. Once you remember, that's one. This is curled, AB is curled, AB bar. You know this one is a line segment. SC, 1 point, it's not endless. Arrow mark is there, this is called a ray. S, two sides arrow mark is there, 2 points there, AXY. XY is a line. The line is represented this model XY. This is called point. This is a XY is a line. XY line. You write this one. X1 is line. P is a point. P is a point. This CD is a ray. CD is a ray. So AB bar is a line segment. Okay, clear? Next one. Important question. Name all the possible line segments in the figure. See, I draw the one line A, B, C, Name the all possible line segment in the figure. Very, very important. What type of this figure? Collinear points. Very good. How do you know? The all points are on the same line. That type of points are called a collinear points. So in the different line segments form, you write that name of all the possible lines. How many points on the line segment? 4 points. 4 points. Right. First one I write that AB bar is one line segment, AC bar another line segment, AD bar the third one line segment. Next one BC bar one line segment, BD bar another one segment. Last one CD. So is all are finish. It's enough. Is it clear? Once again repeated. That's one. I draw the one line segment. In the line segment, 4 points are there. The 4 points are there called collinear points. Collinear points. Why? It's because the collinear points. The point which one points are on the same line. That points are called a collinear. Now see. I take it how many line segments are there, how many line segments are possible here, AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. Next one BC bar, BD bar. Next one CD bar. Okay, is it clear? Now next one. Okay, right. Fourth question. Identify the following given angles as a acute, right, or obtuse. Yes, here given the one picture, here given the one more picture, here the given that's one picture. So identify the following given angles, acute, right, obtuse. See guys, please observe this one. Just your guess it that the angle is below of 90 and above of 0 degrees. So what type of this angle? Acute angle. Guys, see the second picture. In the second picture, see it is above the 90 degrees and below of the 180 degrees. So this is called a obtuse angle. This is called a obtuse angle. See guys, it is a L shape. L shape is a make the angle is equal to 90 degrees. It's a right angle. Right angle. Okay, is it clear? So why it is a the angle? Suppose theta 0 above, theta 90 below. This one is theta above 90, 90 less than theta less than 180. Is this theta exactly 90, so it is called a right angle. Is it clear? Now next one. Page numbers 71, exercise 2, third question. Important question, IMP. Two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. Find them. Seventh class, please study that question. The question is IMP. Two angles are complement to each. Two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. Find them. Here one word is there, complement. Immediately remember that complementary angles means if sum of any two angles equal to 90 degrees, that angles are called a complementary angles. So that angle you have taken that x degrees and y degrees. So x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 90 degrees. That type of angles are called a complementary angles. In this two angles are equal. The two angles are equal. That means x degrees equal to y degrees equal to x degrees. So x plus you write that y. X plus you write that y plus y 2. Okay, now see. First you write that solution. Complementary means complementary. If sum of two angles are equal to 190 degrees. That means x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 90 degrees. But according to the problem, that angles are equal. That angles are, each one angles are equal. That each one angles are equal. That means x degrees is equal to y degrees. So x degrees plus this plus x degrees is equal to 90. X plus x 2x is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 90 by 2. X degrees is equal to 45. X is 45 means x degrees is equal to y degrees is equal to 45 degrees. The sum is wow. Find them the angles so that x and y is equal to 45. Okay, is it clear? Next one. Right. Which of the following pairs of complementary? Fourth question. The page number 71 page, exercise 2. So, which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? Yes. Okay, guys, in this question, three sub questions are there. Which of the following pairs of any complementary? You know the complementary definition? If sum of any two angles equal to 90 degrees, that type of angles are called a complementary angles. See in the two pictures, this is a 110, this is a 30. Sum of two angles, it's get that 140. It's a complementary, it's not a complementary. Next one, 90 plus 90. Sum of the two angles, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. What the definition? Sum of two angles becomes 90 degrees, but here it becomes 180. It is not a complementary. Guys, this angle is equal to 80 degrees, this angle is equal to 10 degrees, 80 degrees plus 10 degrees, 90 degrees. So definitely these two angles are called complementary angles. Okay guys, so 2 exercises I have completed according to your maths textbooks, 4th chapter, lines and angles. Next exercise discuss about that next sessions. Okay guys, thank you.